with this, let's also move on and let's understand which is the stock that Kunal is flagging off when it comes to the Chartbusters ideas. Kunal.
So that's a mid-cap name. It's a buy-in, Narayana stock, which over the last few weeks and months was going through a grind or a consolidation. Now, as you can see that over the last few months, the stock was getting into a very contracted kind of a trading range. Earlier, the range was 1400 on the upside as a resistance for the stock, and then closer to 1200, 1250 mark, which was acting as a support. Now, over a period of time, this range has gotten narrowed for the stock. The recent resistance for the stock was around the 1370-75 levels, and the support moved higher to almost 1220, 1230 mark. And now the stock is on the verge of a breakout or a retest of the major trendline resistance, which means after almost months of consolidation, a contracted price range, the stock is now looking attractive for a breakout. Now, if this breakout happens for the stock, which means closer to 1375, 1380 as a breakout level, we could be looking at least a 70-pointer to 120-pointer range breakout for the stock, which means from those 1370 levels, we can expect the stock to move towards 1450 levels as well as 1500 mark over the very near term.
Okay, that's Narayana Healthcare, the Chartbuster idea identified by Kunal. Naresh, what is it that you've picked out?
So that's a chart for Bank of Baroda. If you look at the last 6 months, multiple bottoms around that 225 to 230 mark. Almost a year back, the stock had broken out around this 220, 225 mark. So it is at a major retest. The last 1 year return is zero. The stock is at a place where there could be a bounce back towards 250 to 265 at least. A risk reward trade here to accumulate at 230 to 225 levels, stop loss at 220, target price of 250 to 265.
That's the take coming in on Bank of Baroda. But apart from Chartbuster ideas, Kunal, help us with your stock ideas as well.
So the first stock idea which I would recommend would be a buy on UPL. That's a chart which is trying to make a comeback above the 540 levels. So look out for targets in the range of 580, stop loss at 520. And Max Financial Services, the other stock, which is also coming back into a strong support or a risk reward territory. So it's suggest a buy with 1140 as a target and stop loss at 1080.
Okay, some interesting stock ideas there. Naresh, what's on your list?
So first is the buy on Zydus Life, trying to make a breakout move, stop loss at 980, target price of 1100. Second is the sell on Dixon Tech on any rise going forward, stop loss at 18,000, target price of 16,500 to 16,000.
That's the take coming in on Dixon Tech. All in all, not a great day coming in for that stock. Already down 7%, and Naresh believes that 16,500 could be the next on cards.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.